In the ever-evolving landscape of manufacturing, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. One way to do this is by embracing innovative practices that optimize your production process. One such practice is TPM, or Total Productive Maintenance. In this video, we will delve into what TPM is, its 8 essential pillars, and how it can help your business stay ahead of the competition. TPM stands for Total Productive Maintenance, and it's a structured methodology for improving the overall performance of your equipment and production processes. Developed in the late 1950s by Japanese engineers, TPM is based on the idea that all employees should be involved in maintaining and improving production equipment. The main objective of TPM is to eliminate all forms of equipment losses and reduce the cost of production while improving product quality and delivery. This is achieved by engaging everyone in the organization in the maintenance of the equipment rather than leaving it solely to a specialized maintenance team. TPM is founded on the belief that breakdowns and defects are often the result of poor maintenance practices. By involving all employees in the maintenance process, companies can reduce the number of defects and improve the overall performance of their equipment. There are 8 fundamental pillars of TPM: autonomous maintenance, focused improvement, planned maintenance, training, early equipment management, quality management, safety, health, environment, and office TPM. Each of these pillars plays a vital role in creating a culture of maintenance and empowering employees to take ownership of the equipment. Autonomous maintenance, empowering operators to perform basic equipment maintenance tasks. Focused improvement, encouraging continuous improvement in equipment performance through focused teams. Planned maintenance, establishing a preventive maintenance system to reduce equipment failures. Training, providing comprehensive training to all employees involved in the production process. Early equipment management, involving maintenance personnel early in the product design and development stage. Quality management, integrating equipment maintenance with quality control measures. Safety, health, environment, emphasizing the importance of safety and environmental considerations in equipment maintenance. Office TPM, extending TPM principles to office equipment and processes. To ensure the successful implementation of TPM, it's essential to have a clear understanding of key concepts such as OEE. OE, or overall equipment effectiveness, measures the percentage of productive time a manufacturing line is actually running at full speed. It is calculated by considering 3 primary factors: availability, performance, and quality. Availability refers to the proportion of time the equipment is available for use. Performance measures the rate at which the equipment operates. And quality indicates the percentage of acceptable products produced. By tracking and analyzing OEE, manufacturers can identify areas for improvement, bottlenecks, and potential equipment issues. Operators play a crucial role in the TPM framework. They are responsible for monitoring equipment performance, identifying issues, and taking immediate corrective actions. In a TPM environment, operators are trained to perform autonomous maintenance tasks, such as cleaning and inspecting equipment. They also work closely with maintenance teams to address more complex issues. Effective communication and collaboration between operators and maintenance teams are essential for the success of TPM. The benefits of implementing TPM are numerous. By reducing equipment downtime, improving product quality, and increasing productivity, companies can streamline their production processes and reduce costs. TPM also helps in creating a proactive maintenance culture, reducing defects and increasing product availability. Moreover, TPM promotes continuous improvement through employee empowerment and engagement. By involving everyone in the organization, companies can leverage the collective knowledge and experience of their workforce to drive innovation and optimize processes. In conclusion, TPM, or Total Productive Maintenance, is a powerful approach to optimizing your production process and driving continuous improvement. By embracing the 8 pillars of TPM and involving everyone in the organization, you can improve your equipment's overall effectiveness, reduce downtime, and enhance product quality. As the manufacturing industry continues to evolve, staying ahead of the curve is crucial for your business. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the world of TPM and its potential to transform your manufacturing operations. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.